know the importance of communication. What would you do without your phone or the internet? Well, what about the concept of communicating with your environment? In this case, your home's HVAC system. It could only lead to good things for you and the environment. Here's Angela Bryant with the story.
With escalating energy costs and new awareness concerning reducing our energy consumption for an environmentally friendly lifestyle, approaches to heating and cooling our homes are changing. Cell phones and Wi-Fi are placing energy-efficient systems at our fingertips, no matter where we are. So tell me, before we take a look at the actual components and hardware of the system, can you please tell me, what is a ComfortNet communication system?
Yes, the ComfortNet communicating system, it makes installing high-efficiency equipment easier. The tough part about it is when you get into the higher efficiency equipment, it becomes more challenging to install. You get into things like multi-stage compressors, variable speed fan motors, modulating furnaces. And the ComfortNet communicating system just kind of simplifies it. Has automatic setup, and so you're going to ensure that you get the most efficient system for that homeowner, and it's always going to be installed perfectly the first time.
Which is a great thing for you, isn't it?
Well, from the contractor perspective, it's perfect because it's allowed 1 hour air conditioning to actually deliver extremely high efficiency at an affordable cost.
Because we're installing one here today, let's go take a look.
Definitely. Let's go. So how is this different from a thermostat, say, that I've seen in other homes?
One of the greatest parts about this, once again, is the software that we build into the indoor and outdoor equipment. Once this is installed, you put that on the wall. It automatically configures everything for the outdoor and the indoor system based on the size of the equipment so that everything's going to work perfectly.
Something you mentioned earlier was that homeowners can communicate with this system remotely?
Yes, this thermostat, through an internet gateway we have in the house here that goes with the thermostat, will allow consumers to go ahead, and they can be 1,000 miles away, dial in on their cell phone or on their iPad or Android, and see what's happening with their thermostat at home. They can set up thresholds so they can tell high temp, low temp, high humidity, low humidity, and we've got diagnostics packed into this communicating package. So there's over 40 unique alarms that can be sent out to the customer if there's any kind of issues that are happening with the system.
That's totally amazing. And does that somehow make it more energy efficient than, say, a typical thermostat that I might have in my house?
It really does, and the main thing is the setup. Like I said, when it sets it up automatically, it's going to set it up so that the fan runs at the proper speed for the size of the equipment, and everything's as efficient as it can possibly be.
So Dave, what tips can you share with homeowners in how they can use this system to make their homes more energy efficient and environmentally friendly?
Well, obviously, choosing a quality Goodman system is a great step in keeping their energy bills down. But it really comes down to the installation. It's got to be professionally installed to be sure that it's sized and installed properly, or to never perform at the rating that it's received. The ductwork has to be sized properly. There's certainly a lot of things customers can do even on their own. Certainly by unplugging all the power thieves that are around their house all the time, all the transformers that are powering up our cell phones and our laptops, as long as they're plugged in, they're using power. So keep unplugging those things and keep those power bills down.
Wow, so today was really informative for me, but you know what? I do have one question left.
What's that?
When are you coming to my house to install one of these?
In an hour.
Okay. Wow, this is so quiet. Is that normal?
Yeah, this is one of the quietest models that we have in our catalog.
Wow, nice.
Well, and Jim's not giving it enough credit. This machine actually rates at 74 decibels, which is about equivalent to your refrigerator in your home.
Well, tell me, our viewers, if they're interested in getting a unit like this, where would they get one?
Well, if they want to find out about our products, they can go to our website at www.goodmanmfg, like manufacturing.com, and they can find out about this and our
entire line of quality products.
Thank you so much, Jim Fisher of Goodman, for coming out here, and Dave Borowski of 1 Hour Air Condition. I really appreciate all the information that you've shared today. Thank you. Be sure to take a look at our website, designingspaces.tv. You'll get a link there for Goodman as well as 1 Hour Air Conditioning. Also, if you'd like to see this segment once more in case you feel like you've forgotten anything or didn't get to see something, be sure to check out that link as well. For Think Green, I'm Angela Bryan.